I just recorded for 20 minutes and realized that my SD card was full, so I don't think it was recording any of that. Good morning, you guys. I have decided to vlog today. I'm so excited. I am teaching summer school this summer. I'm teaching preschool, so it's only half day. It's from 7:45 to 12:15. So I'm headed to work here in the next 20 minutes or so. I just have to get ready real quick. Then after work, I want to hit a couple thrift stores. My sister moved into a new salon, and it's her own little studio. It's called a Salon, in case you guys don't know what that is. It's just like a big building with a bunch of little individual studios inside, so she has her own space. It was bare bones, nothing really. They have like cabinets and a wash bowl, that's it. So she had to buy all the decor, shelving units, all of that stuff. We did that last night, which I will insert some footage here in a minute. We spent like 8 hours doing that. So it's looking so cute so far, but there's one area of her salon that needs like a little cabinet so she can put like a little coffee maker or something on there, and then like doors under the cabinet, you know, to store extra product and whatnot. So I'm hoping to find something at the thrift store for her because she's already spent a ridiculous amount of money and she doesn't want to spend much more, which understandable. So I'm gonna do that after work, and then I do have an eyelash appointment at 3. So I have a busy day. I do want to go work out later too. I need to. So I have a busy day, but I did want to show you guys some of the footage that I did take last night. It was me, my sister, my best friend, and my god sister. We all went in and we put the shelf up, this huge mirror that was so heavy, like I was terrified we were gonna drop it and break it. A chair, her shelving unit, like just decor pieces, and yeah. So I will insert that footage here. God, you think it's bad that you spent $1,500? Imagine if you didn't get any of that furniture. How bad would that be?
Oh, you're on Nicole's late. Oh my, this song's my favorite. You guys need to listen.
I'll hold you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I got Nicole, guys, don't worry.
Okay, I have to I have to, like, is Gail gonna get pissed? Are you bald?
Oh, shit, your house.
No. Nicole, I have a question. You got a ring light? No, it's not a ring light. It's okay. Ready? You sit. Yeah. This mirror is nice. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me try to help you. Over my way a little. Now slowly down. It's on there? Yeah. Holy shit. You know what would be cute? Sure. Yeah. Both. Something above. It's not fucking moving, ladies. It was moving for a second. Hey, where's it? Yeah. Look, it's up me now. It's just like, see that? Hey, Nicole. What is like? Yeah. Woo! Nicole, thank you guys. Ignore everything in the background. I'm planning on redoing this film room hopefully this week because I'm so sick of it. I set up my camera on this wall over here, and then I film my outfit videos in front of the desk, and I can't get back far enough for you guys to see the full outfit, and it's driving me insane. So I'm hoping to redo that. I just want to kind of rearrange and maybe buy another small piece of furniture or something. I'm not sure yet. I don't even know where I left off again. Second time my SD card has filled up. All right, I think we got it situated now. I got this new, I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it Givenchy or is it Givenchy? I hear people saying it the fancy way. Foundation. If you guys have not seen one of my last videos where I talk about Octoly, where YouTubers can get like free makeup products to test out, this is one of them. Givenchy actually gifted this to me to try out. It is the Tint Couture Everwear foundation, and I've never tried it, brand new, and I want to try it now. So I love the way I'm like testing products when I'm late for work. Like, who am I? Oh well. I'm gonna do a very quick makeup look. I'm just using a wet sponge, Real Technique sponge, this huge one. I love this one. I did spray tan and I got that foundation in a lighter color, so I'm not too sure how well it's going to match, but it seems like a very like natural coverage foundation, which I love. I'm really beating the hell out of my face right now. What time is it? It's 7:16 right now, and I need to leave by like 7:35, I would say. So I have 20 minutes. But I also have to do my hair and get dressed. Okay, I actually really like it. It did a really nice job of covering. You cannot see, like I'm really looking up close, and you cannot see at all that I'm even wearing foundation. It just looks like I naturally have nice skin. Oh, I like that. I for sure need some, I need some concealer under these eyes though. This concealer's super light, so I always mix it with another dark one. This Fit Me. It's not dark, but it's darker. Yeah, I really like this foundation. So what I was saying is, if you haven't seen one of my other videos, I'll link it down below, but it's how to get free makeup products and like hair care products, any kind of products really. If you're a YouTuber and you make reviews, or you want to start making reviews, you just sign up for Octoly and then you can browse all the different products they have, and the companies just decide if they want to work with you or not. If they do, which I've only been declined like once or twice maybe in like years. So I will leave that linked down below if you guys would like to sign up. I know a couple of you guys have signed up because it notifies me when you do, and I get like Octo points or Octoly points or whatever it's called. So good for you guys. I hope you guys are getting lots of free stuff and reviewing it. It's just such an easy way to connect with brands, because I know as a YouTuber it's hard, and you probably wonder like, how do you connect with brands to like get them to send you free product and stuff like that. That's one of the ways. So like I said, I will leave that link down in the description box below if you guys are interested. I'm going to just quickly finish getting ready, and I will talk to you guys on the way to work. It's like, here I am, I'm still running late and still filming. I wanted to show you guys quickly before I left what I'm wearing today. As you may or may not know, I really don't know, teaching preschool, especially in the summer, it's just casual. Wear casual clothes, you're running with the kids, you're on the ground with the kids, you're getting snot on you, you're getting all kinds of weird things on you. It's just a very casual look pretty much every single day. So I'm wearing just this regular brunch t-shirt. Let me show you here in the mirror. Excuse the mess, like I said. I'm just wearing this gray t-shirt that says brunch, black jeans, and just some slip-on Vans. This shirt is actually from a company called Thread Tank, and they have so many different like casual styled t-shirts. It is a, like, I would say the perfect thickness. It's not one of those super thick like men's tees that doesn't breathe or stretch, but it's not a super thin see-through shirt either. It's just like perfect. It's the perfect material. I chose gray with black writing that says brunch, and then I also got another one that is like a gray, almost like burnout style, and it says grateful in this really pretty cursive. Stories you can wear is kind of their motto, which is super cool, and I'm obsessed. Like, everything on their website is so cool. They also have sweatshirts and like slouchy sweatshirts. They have a bunch of different things. They have v-necks if you'd rather have a v-neck. I'm just a scoop neck kind of gal. If you use the code NicoleAmber, you will get 10% off of your purchase. So definitely go check them out and follow them on Instagram. I will insert some pictures here of some of the other styles of tops they have. So cute. Perfect, perfect, perfect for work. Actually, I think I'm going to get on there after work today and order some more because I'm obsessed. What is up, you guys? It is 1:15. I got off work like an hour ago and grabbed something to eat real quick, and now I am off to Target. My sister said that she for sure needs curtains, just like sheer curtains, so she already got those, but I'm gonna go to Target and get her some curtain rods. I'm gonna get some stuff to make dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna do taco soup, and then I have an appointment at 3 o'clock to get my eyelashes filled. Desperately need to do that, like desperately. So I am headed to Target now. I might even just get groceries at Target. I also need to get ingredients to make sugar cookies because I'm just gonna make plain sugar cookies and let the students decorate them tomorrow. And I'm also making 4th of July sugar cookies for the 4th of July, obviously. So I need to make sure that I have enough ingredients to do all of that. So that means I'll be baking tonight. There's like a weird spot in that lens that is not cute. So I need to make sure I have enough ingredients to make enough cookies for the students tomorrow and for a whole group of people on the 4th. So I'll be baking tonight, yay! I actually really do love baking, but to do sugar cookies is like a lot of work because you have to make the cookies from scratch in the shapes that you need, and then you have to obviously let them cool, then you have to make the icing, and I usually do like extra icing because it comes out white, and then you scoop some into bowls and make them the different colors that you need, and then you have to put them in the piping bags, and then, you know, do the first layer, let them dry for a few hours, then do another layer. And some of these cookies have a lot of layers, so it's a lot of work, but I love them. I have just recently, I'd probably say the last like 6-7 months, just taken up cookie decorating, and I don't do it that often, but I know I made some for Carlos's niece's birthday. They were Peppa Pig cookies. I've done Peppa Pig, I've done some for Christmas. I did some for our young adult program open house for my school. What else have I done? I did some as a fundraiser to help raise money for a dog who got hit and broke his little leg. Oh, so I made like dog themed ones. So I've made quite a bit. I'll insert some of the pictures here so you guys can see what I've done so far. And I know some of you have even asked, like, can you do a video on how you make cookies? And yes, I will do that. I'm not a professional, but I will make a video for sure, or like throw it into a vlog of how I make cookies. But yeah, I am on my way to Target, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I just got back from Target, and I got my sister a couple things that she needed, and I'm here at her salon right now. Oh, I did get a couple things that need to be refrigerated, so I'm gonna bring those in just so they're not sitting in the hot car. And I'm gonna show you guys her salon. It looks so good. It's not done yet. I'm gonna help her put up some curtain rods, but it looks so good. All right, got the stuff. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Earlier I went to my sister's salon after work and did just like one curtain rod, but she had a client, so I couldn't do the other one because otherwise I'd be literally stepping on this girl's face trying to like hang the other one. So I left, I went to my eyelash appointment, got them filled, just natural like I like them, and then I went back to my sister's salon and put up the second curtain rod. There's still one panel that I need to put. She has this weird like small window that's like this big and it's super long, so I need to put like a panel over there. I obviously don't make curtain rods this long, so I gotta figure something out, but it looks so good so far. I did a little like overview, so I will insert that here so you guys can see it. so cute. Oh, I love it. So I'm on my way now. I'm so tired. It's 5:06 and I've only been home a couple times for like a few short minutes. But I'm on my way now to the Walmart grocery store just so I can grab a couple ingredients so I can go home and start making the cookie dough and baking the cookies. Then I am done. When I went home earlier today, I had like 15 minutes, so I threw a bunch of ingredients in the crock pot to make taco soup, so that's what we're having for dinner. So I'm excited for that, but I love decorating the cookies, but the whole process of like making them from scratch, making the cookies and the icing, woo, it's exhausting.
I'm just removing my makeup right now, as you can see, but I just finished baking a bunch of cookies. They're like, I just covered the box on top of them. I have them on like a drying rack, but I don't want like them exposed to the air, I guess. Like obviously I know air can still get to them, but you know what I mean. So I have them covered with a box until tomorrow. And yeah, I'm just removing my makeup and I'm ready for bed. I'm so tired. I need to go set out some workout clothes so I get up in the morning and actually go work out for once. It's been a few days, so I'm looking forward to getting back on track. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys like this vlog and want to see more like this, leave me a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!